Hi, I'm Nadine Baggott. Today I'm going to talk you through the 4 biggest skincare trends courtesy of Kiehl's. One of the hottest trends in skincare right now is glass skin, but I'm here to let you in on a secret. It really is nothing new. It's just skin that is healthy and reflects light, and that's skin that's properly hydrated. 2 of the trends that have come from Korea that have really stuck are jelly-based skincare. This is a great serum. It's the Kiehl's Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate, and it is a gorgeous, soothing, healing, cooling jelly that goes on your skin and absorbs in seconds. And then you'll not be surprised to hear the other trend that came from Korea and is here to stay is sheet masks. This one is the Kiehl's Instant Renewal Concentrate Mask, which is actually loaded with 3 cold-pressed oils, aloe and glycerin, but in a water base that absorbs into your skin in seconds. That's the real secret to glass skin. Everybody wants glowy skin, and the secret is to use lots of serums. I'm not really a fan of creams, but I do love to layer on serums. But did you know that you could put serums over and under your makeup? Perfect case in point, Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator, which if you look at, is the perfect hybrid of skincare and makeup. Loaded with glycerin, which is a natural humectant found in the skin, but also soft focused mineral particles over the skin on the high points. You put it under your makeup and then go back in, under the brow, down the nose, over the chin. Anywhere you really want to glow. It's glow in a tiny little bottle. One of the most common questions I get asked is it safe to use retinol around your eyes? It is the gold standard anti-aging ingredient, but you could be prone to irritation, which is why I always say choose pro-retinol or retinol palmitate, which is found in Kiehl's Youth Dose Eye. Now, it's a slow, steady, safe way of delivering vitamin A into your skin, and that means less irritation. One of the most important investments you can make in your skin is a daily antioxidant you want every single day under your makeup. It protects against sunlight and pollution, and I really like vitamin C. Something like Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate is a 12.5% blend of vitamin C loaded with hyaluronic acid, and you know I love that too. It's great every single day and can be easily worn under your makeup to protect your skin.